Hi, I'm Matthew VanLeeuwen,
And I'm Lara Worthington.
and we wanted to show you a glossy lip. Gloss has been a little bit on the back burner for a while, but it's coming back in force. So we thought we'd do something that was not overly glossy, but something that reflects that fun of lip gloss. So I'm going to start it first with this beautiful Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, and the shade is called Pink Venus. It's one of my favorite nude shades that she makes. I'll have you just grin with your lips together. It just lets the lip be a little bit taut. And I'm just going to gently fill the lip with the color. This is the way to make it look modern. Now, you could have just put the gloss on with nothing. This will give you a long wear, and it will also pull back the gloss just a little bit.
Ooh, glossy.
Yeah. This is a powder-based gloss, so it's not fully lacquer. There's actually some optical pearls in it that give it a little bit of a metallic edge.
Feels good. Like it feels very moisturizing
Yeah.
and nourishing.
I bet you didn't know it has coconut oil. Coco would have liked it. The coconut oil. And this will last a long time.
It definitely feels nice with the lip liner. I feel like it's got a bit more
A little bit more body.
body, yeah.
Yeah. And you can always come back after the gloss is on, which I do quite often, and just you can perfect things a little bit or give them a little more edge. Like I could make this look very evening and very dressed up by just creating more of an edge.